I've been asked to take a look at this TurboGrafX-16, TurboExpress, whatever it's called. It's made by NEC, which is nice. Now, I'm not too sure whether this is the American one or if this is the Japanese one. I don't know. I know there are different versions. We never really had these in the UK, and they are really very cool. Now, the problem with this, I mean, it does work. It works absolutely fine, but it's very, very quiet, and the screen isn't great. I mean, you can see the screen, but if I start a game and put it on full volume, that's volume there. That's full volume. It's very quiet. 1943, nice. So the plan is, I'm going to replace the capacitors in it because I think these are quite old now. I don't even know what year this is, but they have a tendency to sort of die out, the capacitors on these things. So I'm going to replace the capacitors and hoping that will fix certainly the sound. Maybe the screen's supposed to look like that, I don't know, but it might improve the screen as well. So let's get cracking. Let's get cracking with the nuttin'. Don't know why I said that. Right, just doing a bit of reading up on this. I've got a list of the capacitors here, and it does look like you can use ceramic capacitors, so if I have got them, I am going to try that. It'll be much easier than trying to squeeze the thingy ones in. Thingy ones? I know all the terminology, me. Electrolytic. I got it. Okay, right, well, let's get cracking. We'll start with some easy ones up here. I don't know whether to do the old Game Gear, twist them off and annoy everybody in the comments method, or heat them up. I don't know. Right, let's start with this one right here. There we go. There's signs that one had leaked a little bit, I think. Yeah. Nice. Let's do another easy one. That one. Nice. Again, signs under there that one had leaked a little bit. Right. Come on. The screen looks a bit better. It's not got the sort of pixelated, I don't know, we had sort of lines through it. I'm not sure it's going to come across on the camera, this. Definitely looks better with the naked eye. Right. Is the sound going to be any better? Yes, it is. Much louder. I'm good at this. Oh. Spoke too soon. Quite like that game.